Hey everybody, Jeff here. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, I wanted to update you on a pretty decent 50% off deal that I wanted to show you here. And this just kind of exemplifies here what we've been finding a lot from Home Depot and Lowe's over the last few months, is that a lot of times something is on sale and it's just simply not indicated on the website, or it's vice versa. Something is on sale on the website and it's on sale in the store, but yet the store has an incorrect price on it. That's way higher than it should be, which is another strange thing that seems to be happening a lot. So let me show you. This is the Cobalt 40 volt max electric hedge trimmer. And so this is a 24-inch trimmer, which I like. I mean, it's got a nice long size to it there with 3,000 strokes per minute. And this will cut a 3/4 inch cut capacity. And what that means is they measure the space between the fingers there on the hedge trimmer there. That's the measurement that they go by for this. But anyway, when you look at this kit here online, so this one has the charger and the battery with it. They're saying $159. But the thing is when you get into the store, you're going to see that it's actually on sale with the clearance sticker on it. And then let me show you the item number is right here. So there's your item number. And let me highlight both of these. There's your item number on the left for Lowe's. So you would type this number into any Lowe's search box. That's 796788. And then on the right is the Cobalt number for this. So now if you go into your local Lowe's store, instead of just relying on the online price and inventory information there, you'll see that it's actually pretty much 50% off at $79.56. Now, in certain areas, just like we saw with that DeWalt hammer drill kit with the two 5-amp-hour batteries that I've been showing you all week long on how we were able to score them and how you can find them. So just like with that kit, the online price was showing, the full regular price that they normally charge. But when you get into the store and you can get an employee to scan it with their regular Lowe's scanners that they walk around with, not their cell phone, because the cell phone's just going to show you the same price you saw online. But oftentimes when they scan it with the actual Lowe's scanner that the employees are issued, you'll see it at the lower price, or it'll ring in lower at the register, or you'll even see the yellow sticker on the shelf there. Now, if you look here, you can see that when I went into my store, it was a different price. See? It was $94.86. But you notice how they're both ending in that 6. Okay, so here in our store we have the same trimmer, the kit, and you can see that it's $94.86 in our store. Now maybe it scans in less when you get up to the register. I don't know. You can probably have somebody check it out for you and scan it. But I think these are they all tied down? No. Yeah, so this is what it looks like, and that price is supposed to include, and so the price on this does include the battery and the charger. You're going to see varying prices likely around the country, and what we've been telling people to do, and a lot of people have followed our advice and had success with that this week, is that you show these pictures to your store. Like, let's say you go in and your store is $94, show them the picture from the one that was $79, and many of your Lowe's stores will beat it. Or if you can show it to them online, some of your markets are showing it as the $79 price online. So you're just getting a mixed bag of results here on these, and it can be somewhat frustrating. So for example, take a look at this one that our friend Al Lopez sent us. So this one here is in the $50 range. So he found it using the Lowe's app, and sometimes the Lowe's app will show the sales price when the online website will not. It can be somewhat confusing, and it can be very perplexing to get your arms around all of this to see what's really going on here. The fact of the matter is what you're trying to do is find the tool you want to buy, see if it's on sale, find out what city it's on sale in, and get that screenshot there and see if it's the same price in your area. And if it's not, see if your store will match the price. Now, a number of people have told me this week that, talking about that DeWalt hammer drill kit again, using our advice, they were able to get the store to match the online price. Some stores would not. It's just up to the manager's discretion. So I would say this is a screaming buy at this price if you can get it at this price here. So go out and check your store. And remember, we're going to be showing you a lot more of these types of deals. So for example, we showed you the deal, and we've been showing you this for a few weeks now, with the DeWalt hammer drill. And we uploaded a video on that the other night showing you how to find this other kit. Okay, so as we look at our videos page here, this is the video I want you to see here, where it says the DeWalt hammer drill kit. So this is the drill kit we were telling you about, and if you can score it in your Lowe's store, it's $175 off from the online price, because the online price doesn't reflect that it's a clearance right now. Only in some cities it does, and for some strange reason, only on the Lowe's app in some cities will it show you the price. So they've just completely lost control. Both Home Depot and Lowe's have completely lost control of their inventory systems, I think, this year, where stuff just isn't jiving with what you're seeing, boots on the ground. And then I want you to take a look at this other video that we uploaded last night here that shows the Lowe's Christmas tool deal, some of the Black Friday gift zone, the what I call the Christmas stocking stuffer aisle. Okay, now this is a screaming deal for sure, man. $49.98 to get the 20-piece ratcheting wrenches here. So these wrenches, they ratchet on the closed end side there. Some of those items have already been put out, and we've already seeing some pretty steep discounts on there as well. So go ahead and check that one out too, as well as all of the other videos that we have here. And if you like this video so far, if you found this informational, hey, would you do us a favor and give us a thumbs up down below? That tells us that you like us. And man, look, if you're not subscribed to us, look at all of these different videos that we put up for you all the time, and lots of great videos on remodeling your homes and your kitchens and your bathrooms and tiling and engineering disasters like we showed you here the other day with this plumbing fail. So make sure, if you're not subscribed, that you click on that subscribe button and click the little gray bell icon next to it. That will tell YouTube to alert you whenever we upload a new video. Well, that's it for this one, folks. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you on the next one.